Welcome everyone, it's Agata Zabudowska, Exit Realty Redefined. And today I would like to present you this extraordinary, very beautifully updated home located in Rolling Meadows. I can assure you that you will love this house from the moment you enter it. So please take a tour with me and see it for yourself. Thank you for viewing. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you can imagine yourself living in this house, please give me a call. My name is Agata Zabudowska with Exit Realty Redefined.